Alright guys, this is going to be a really quick tutorial on this game, on getting it started for the first time. So you would see this screen if you just turned it on, you just downloaded this game for the very first time. You open it up, and here you go. Press and continue. Now this is going to be the same thing whether you guys are on PlayStation, Xbox and everything. There's going to be minor differences between the two, but other than that, it's going to be pretty much the same thing. So right here, we had to click on, I've read this, accept, and then we continue on. From here, it's best to create an account. So if you don't have an account, you should create one on console. But if you do have a login, go for it. And yes, the fastest way is to scan a QR code with your smartphone, because everything's done there much faster. However, let's say you guys don't have a smartphone, you're not gonna use a web browser, go on and just do everything from your console. So we're gonna do that, just pretending that you guys don't have those options. Now, this is for those of you who are new to the game. However, if you have played this game on your PC, then you can link this account, okay? So make sure you're linking the right stuff. Other than that, again, if you're new to this, don't really have to worry about this, so continue to linking. Right here, it's gonna ask us, do you really want to create a new account? So again, guys, if you guys have an account, just link that account and you're good to go. Right now, we're gonna go on and just create on console, put your email, and then just press on continue. So once you put your email, just press on yes here on this circle, well, square, then go on to continue on. Once you press on continue on, you're gonna see this, what is your birthday? Now, in order for this to work, remember there's an age rating for this. So if you are 2 years old, this will most likely not let you create an account, just letting you know. So once you put your date, your month and year, just going to continue. From here, you're gonna see this, just scroll down, scroll all the way down, and then it's gonna let you press on accept. Because we're pretending that we're reading this. So we're gonna go on and press accept. And then from here, you can keep your ID or just change it up. I'm gonna leave it as is. So I'm gonna go on into continue, but it doesn't let me, no special symbols. So we're gonna have to edit this. So I'm just gonna choose tech and design, go into continue, and there we go, success. So while you're loading in, it's not gonna take too long, so just wait for it. Now keep in mind that you should be getting an email saying welcome to Riot Games. You don't really have to do anything there, but you can click on manage your account and all that from your phone or tablet, wherever you get your emails from. Then press on I understand, so X. So here we go. This is traditional versus Valorant. I would just go into Valorant, okay? But you can definitely go for traditional if that's what you like. I'm just gonna go with that, your very first option, and here comes your basic training. So right now we created an account, we have our account, and we can get started with everything. So basic training will teach you exactly what to do within the game and how to play it. So this is something that you guys need to go through. It will show you a video. So to move forward, all you guys have to do is just press upwards with your joystick. So just go forwards and then just go throughout the whole basic training and you guys should be fine. But as far as creating an account and getting started, there you go. Just keep going with the basic training and you guys should be fine to play Valorant. This would be almost like any other shooter game out there. It's no huge differences. So just keep going with it and you guys will notice that it's very easy to play. But as far as this video goes, we're all done. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.